CNS Anatomy of the brain. Support and protection. Meninges encase brain and SC. 3 layers. Dura mater. Arachnoid. Pia mater. Between layers. Cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, airbag for brain. CSF produced in choroid plexus. Secreted and circulated by ependymal cells. Figure 8.37b. Ventricles. Major regions. Major features of brain. Brainstem cranial nerves 3 to 12 medulla oblongata pons mesencephalon. Diencephalon. Thalamus. Hypothalamus. Brainstem. Diencephalon, thalamus, sensory info, filter, and hypothalamus, eating and drinking reflexes. Mesencephalon, visual and auditory reflex centers, head turning. Pons, relay station for sensory info. Medulla oblongata, regulate cardio, respiratory, digestive activities. Medulla oblongata regulatory nuclei, pyramids. Heart and respiratory rate, blood pressure, coughing, sneezing, vomiting, swallowing, balance, coordination, digestion. Pyramids. Descending motor nerves, conscious control of skeletal muscle, pons ascending and descending tracts relay nuclei, regulatory nuclei. Share info between cerebrum and cerebellum. Regulatory nuclei. Chewing and salivation, respiration. Midbrain superior colliculi inferior colliculi regulatory nuclei. Visual reflex. Inferior colliculi. Auditory reflex and nerve tracts. Regulatory nuclei. Lens shape, pupil diameter. Substantia nigra. Regulates body movements. Diencephalon thalamus epithalamus hypothalamus. Ascending sensory neuron synapse here, projector cerebrum. Epithalamus. Emotional and visceral response to odors, pineal body regulates long-term cycles. Hypothalamus. Maintaining homeostasis via hormone release. Diencephalon. Cerebellum gray and white matter. Balance, maintains muscle tone, coordinates fine muscle movement. Comparator, integrates proposed movement with current body position to produce smooth, exact movement. Involved in learning new balance-intensive activities. Riding a bike, yoga, climbing. Cerebellum. Controls skeletal muscle contractions. Movement and body position. Limbic system facilitates memory storage and retrieval. Establishes and drives emotional states. Links conscious with unconscious and autonomic functions of the brainstem. Limbic system. Cerebrum and its regions complex info. Processing conscious thought. Reasoning. Memory creation and storage. Cerebral space. Ascending somatosensory pathway. Crossover in Mo, to opposite side of body. Synapse in thalamus. Projection to cerebral cortex. Descending motor pathway. Project from motor cortex. Crossover at lower Mo. Synapse in spinal cord. Project to effector. Axons connect SNES, SNES and SNES PNS. Association, commissural, projection.